we want to show you that every part of this is obviously different, but this machine will accept them without any setup from my side. I only fill and unload the machine. The machine is now set up for reverse function, will bring the back the part, but of course you can also feed the parts in through feed with two operators for higher quantities. Okay, my colleague Hendrik will now take the video and will walk up and down to show you my filling of the machine and the setup, the automated setup of the machine. Okay, here we go. I start with the bigger one. Right to the transport belt. These are the very narrow profiles, and now you will see that the standing head will raise over the transport level to plunge in on both sides. I decided to place two profiles side by side because I assume here's no sanding needed, but you also may sand it single, but I sand now as a double. scanning double the sealer. What you see is that I only filled and unloaded the machine. The rest is done automated by scanning the parts. With the data of the scanner, the aggregates move in C controlled into position. You can use the reverse function for the vacuum transport belt, or you can use the reversion including sanding on the way back, or in through feed for high quantities. So thank you for your time and hope you like our machine.